Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to send text messages on Discord. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your Discord app. Now go to Messages option and select your friend. From here, you can send text messages as you want. Now press on send. That's it. So this is how to send text messages on Discord. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.